Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. This video will show you how to back up data in our phone. Alright, the first thing you should do is go to your settings app on your phone. And then after that, you have to scroll your screen until you find account and backup option. And it's right here. Just click on it. And then actually we can choose where you will back up your data. You can select Samsung Cloud or Google Drive. And today I'll go with Google Drive. So I'm just gonna click on backup data on Google Drive right here. And then after that, we can choose the Google account that we want to use it for our backup. You can click on account storage right here. And choose the account that you want to use it for your backup, and just click on the account. And then after you choose the account, you can click on backup now right here. And then the data that we're gonna back up are apps, photos, videos, messages, and also call history. And after everything is ready, you have to click on backup now. Just click on backup now, and then choose backup now right here. Alright guys, that's how we can back up our data in our phone. I hope this video will help you. Thanks for watching and see you on the next video. Bye!